Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely well. So in our previous video we see how we can collect emails and how can do email marketing. Now for which purpose we collect these emails and what else we can do with these emails we'll see today, and how we can send multiple emails at a time free. So we will see all these things today in this video. Hope you're gonna enjoy this. First of all, we can sell these emails to the clients from Fiverr. We can offer gigs that will deliver niche related target audience email list to our clients. So this is why we can sell these emails, and we can get client from outside of Fiverr as well, from LinkedIn or Facebook. Anyway, we're not going to see this today. Now let's see what else we can do more with these emails. If you are a content creator, then you can make video and do video marketing, video promotion with those emails. And you can also sell courses. You can also invite people to your website via these emails. And you can also do affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So here today we will see how we can do with CPA marketing with these emails. After joining the CPA network, you need to select an offer that you can promote and earn. Here, make sure that you choose those offers which is relatable to your collected audience niche. Now here you can see that we collect emails from USA, so we are going to pick up a USA related service or product from a CPA network. And before we collect that offer for promoting, we need to check out their EPC. Is that really good, or the offer is really valid? Then we need to pick up that offer, and we can use that tracking link in our landing page. So before you do marketing, CPA marketing, make sure that you make your own landing page or website to promote that there. Now here I am making this landing page for free with Canva. You can check out this video where I show you how you can do CPA marketing with Canva. Here I explain all details to make a Canva website page. Now you can see how you can send bulk emails. For this, here we need to come over our Google Sheet, and here we need to add an extension. There are multiple extensions like this: MailMarch or MailNetter or Margo. So here I will show you how you can use MailMeter for sending bulk emails. Now for the free version, you will send up to 75 mails per day with this MailMeter. If you carry 10 Gmails, so per day you can send up to 750 mails to your clients. Now let's see, after we just give access to this extension, we need to add our email list. Before you carry on sending emails, make sure that you give access that extension to your mail so that it can automatically send emails to these clients. And another thing, that if you want to get premium of this extension, so you can get it only for $9 per month. It's the cheapest in the market. Okay, here you can give any sender name in this email, and in email body type your email, and you can schedule it or you can just send it in the right time. But for the maximum advanced features, you need to go over the premium version, and I recommend you to go for previous version to do professionally work. And here you can see that we are getting these emails and we get all the reports in our mails. So this is the first thing what we can use to send multiple emails. There's another method what I want to show you right now. Here most of the email marketers do this way, that they can send emails to us with automation. What they use is MailChimp. So you can just simply go over MailChimp, and after you come over here, you can join here for free, and in free account you can send up to 2000 emails per month. Okay, in free feature you can get this. So after you join here, you can see that you can send up to 2000 mails per month. Now this really good for the free users. Now after you come here for and join their list, you can import your contacts just like this, drag and drop, and it will automated collected all your data related to those fields. And yes, you need to select here subscribe and then go for continue tag. You can use different type of tags for getting your list at the same time. Here you can see that we got our list preview what we just upload here. So we add here up to 100 emails for the first time. We can add more emails here. Now give here all information that from which email should that email go to your subscriber list, and you can set here the HTML email template as well, or you can go with just a free text based email. Now after you all set, you can go for continue, and here you will see an option for sending emails. So you can see that our all email campaign is ready, and we can automate or schedule it if we upgrade this account anyway. So we just send this, and you can see that our all email is out to our subscribers. So later you can check out the reports for this email campaign, that how many email people read or open or click on the links that you send those email. So this way you can track and send multiple emails at a time. And now here I'm gonna show you two more tricky ways that you can send bulk emails to users inbox. You can come over to my YouTube channel and search for bulk email sending without SMTP. So in this method what I show you, it didn't require any SMTP for sending emails. You know that if you use Amazon AWS or any email hosting, you can send unlimited emails with their SMTP. But here I show you without SMTP you can send multiple emails to user inbox with the automated ID. I hope you're gonna enjoy this. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a good day.